Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sami again here, and this is the case. From today, I want to go for C sharp language for new challenge because they work with this, and I have no experience with this language, but I want to make a playlist from begin to the end, and we are going to learn it together. But one good point, C sharp is really similar to the Java. About 70% is like Java, C++, and as you know, this channel is Java channel. I think we are going to handle it very beautiful. Okay. The first thing is that what is C sharp? C sharp is general purpose multi. Uh, it's just like object-oriented programming language, but it has main differences. Okay. Uh, Imagine I have made here, for example, an application, and it is going. I have here Visual Studio, and it is going to make for me also the exe file of that format. You know what I'm saying? When I'm making a project here, I get directly exe type. It's mean just you can run it in every type of Windows. No need to convert it. I get DLL everything, and that's good. And it's really not okay, I think, for web application. But in this case, we want to learn it first, and then let's see. This is really simple structure I'm using here. You see it. This is not VS Code. This is Visual Studio Code. It's not this Visual Studio and not VS Code. That's two different things. This is the main structure of a C sharp program. You see, using it's like import or like that. It's like a container. These are standard things, and here is the thing: class. You are going to begin your structure with class like Java, and this is the main method. Again, like Java. Okay. And here we want to to talk about variables. What are variables? Let me say before of all, I say console on that right line. Welcome to C sharp. Okay, and again close it. Syntaxes, double quotes, everything is just like Java. I'm going to run this one, and it say welcome to C sharp. Okay. I'm now trying to say you with this line of code, console.write line. In Java you say system out print line, and here you go for console.write line. In Python you go for print, and so on. Okay. And here I want to go for variables. I want to make short videos about 4 or 5 minutes, and in that each time just hitting new subject. Okay. We are going for variables. We have int a is equal to 10. I'm doing like this. I say here I have int a. I have here string name is equal to army, for example, like that. What's that? Yes, this is it. Name. What we have char cs equal to, for example, bool. We have bool, that's just true or false. You see, tab, this is tab. If I do tab, it show me. Okay, it's like that. Okay, these are variables. And now we have here, for example, that, and say here, I don't know, print also a is concatenate that two things here, c10 and that. Okay. We are making variables like that. In Java we had something like final, and here we have constant. For example, const int test. Oh yo. const int test is equal to 15. Small one. Okay, this is 15, huh? It say this 15 is stay just 15 in whole program, and you are not be able to change. It's not changeable. It's just 15. It's just, for example, like p number, c 3 comma blah blah blah. Okay. Here we have a10, and I say here a is equal to 11, for example. A is now 11. That a is now here 11. Okay, but here if I say test is equal to, for example, 16, you get just error here. Int is 15. Okay, with other word, constant is not changeable. Okay. And right line, we are displaying that things here, and this plus, if you use it for a string, is going to put two string together. But if you using as integer, that with numbers, it is going to mathematic things for you. And that's like this. And I want to see what we can get. We are be able to make inline variables, for example, like other languages. For example, I say here int x is equal to 5, y is equal to, for example, like this, and like this. What is it? This, and like this. Okay, and so on. Inline variables. And here we can say int, for like integer g h j, for example, and here I have 3 variables, and here I say, for example, g is equal to, for example, h is equal to j, or so on, and close it with like this. Okay, so on. And this is how you are playing with variables in C#. It's just similar to the Java, just constant, that you have to consider. And do not forget, if there is differences between C# and Java, I'm going to say that. And if you know about Java, you get the point. Okay guys, this is the first one about variables. I see you in the next one. Have a nice day.